Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carla. So today I'm bringing you a shoe unboxing on a pair of shoes that I've been wanting for a while. They were sitting on my wish list since last year. I just didn't want to go ahead and purchase it. They're a pair of shoes that are going to be around. I mainly bought them now because they were on sale, so I had to go ahead and take advantage of it. So if you do want to see what I got, then just stay tuned. If you are a shopper or a fashion girl or boy, I'm pretty sure you have seen these shoes come across your screen here and there. One thing I can say about these loafers is that I have not seen it on a lot of people. I don't see anyone wearing them really. Not in person, I haven't seen anyone wear them. And even online, I don't see people styling them, purchasing them, which I'm actually shocked by because I think that they're pretty stylish, you know, unique pair of shoes. But anyways, I'm going to stop rambling and show you what they look like. So the shoes that I have picked up are a pair of J.W. Anderson loafers. And these are them, and I purchased mine in the classic, or I like to think of them as a classic colorway, the black leather with the gold chain. I picked up this color mainly because I think that this is probably the most versatile color, other than I guess if you wanted to try out the brown or the khaki. They have a khaki suede as well, but I just wanted to start off with this color. I do want to purchase more, but I just thought that I should just start off with this color. They actually have a newer colorway where it's silver. The leather is silver and so is the buckle. I see myself mainly wearing this transitioning into the fall. I mean, I could wear these now, but because this don't have too much ventilation going on, it's a mule and it's leather, I would just prefer to wear this when the weather gets a little bit colder, but not too cold because, you know, my heels will be exposed. These do have a cork kind of sole, very similar to the Birkenstock sole. If they are as similar as I think they are, then just like the Birkenstock sole, they will take a while to become comfortable and conform to your feet with the more wear that you put on these. So if I'm guessing correctly, that these will break in really nicely. They don't feel tight already. Now I purchased my usual European size, which is a 40, and they do fit very similar to my Birkenstocks. Like, I kid you not, they're probably almost identical, but we're gonna see with time and wear. We're gonna see. The buckle, it does look like real metal, but you know what, now that I'm tapping on it, it could be like a really thin metal or thick plastic that's covered in a gold finish. And I know this may not be everyone's cup of tea because it's really, it looks bulky, but like I said, it's, in my opinion, it's very stylish and it's definitely a statement piece. I picked up these shoes mainly because I needed a versatile shoe to wear on the go. Now, I love mules for the fact that you could just slide your feet in them and go. And I don't want to wear sneakers because I'm just going to be traveling to the city more, and ideally I don't want to wear sneakers as they can look too casual. Now don't get me wrong, these can be worn casually, but at least like if I threw on some trousers or a blazer, this would still, you know, give my outfit a more elevated look. Like even if I wore these with jeans or even sweats, joggers, whatever, these would still look elevated, and that's why I chose this particular shoe. I just want to give you a little background on the brand, you know, seeing that those shoes are a very unique pair of shoes. So the brand statement on their style is that it's unique, not this particular shoe, but just the overall brand. Its unique design aesthetic offers a modern interpretation of masculinity and femininity by creating thought-provoking silhouettes through a conscious cross-pollination between menswear and women's wear element. Now I definitely see that with the brand. I haven't done much exploring, but just from what I see and even how the brand styles their clothing and shoes, you definitely see kind of like a play on both feminine and masculine looks. I did see a picture of a woman wearing like an oversized suit wearing these, and they look so fab. I love the way that it was styled in that photo. Now for me, I just thought that I needed a pair of practical shoes, but not something that was so sporty, but something that wasn't so dressy either. Something that I could definitely walk around in. So I just needed a pair of shoes that I could just throw on with ease and that's still stylish and that could be worn with multiple different looks. And in my opinion, at least, it doesn't look overdone. It doesn't look gaudy. I don't know if it's just like you have that contrast of the hard black leather with the gold chain. It's just a perfect match for me. I really do think that these shoes are versatile, and I love purchasing shoes. Well, maybe I don't have a problem wearing anything with anything. That's just my take on, you know, the things that I buy. I just, if I like it, I'm going to play around with it. I'm going to get different looks out of it, but that's just me. You will be seeing me wearing this in multiple outfits. It's going to, I already see myself wearing this like as a business casual kind of look, or, you know, a street look. The spectrum is going to be so broad, like I cannot wait. So I did purchase my loafers from my Teresa. It wasn't the lowest price point, but it was one of the lowest. The sites that I did see it for the lowest, they had sold out of my size, no big surprise. But I was lucky enough to still catch these in my size for a fairly good price. Now, you can still find these on sale. Like they're now still on sale. They've been on sale for a month now. And it's funny because this shoe is going for retail price on some sites, and then on other sites it's still on sale. Or even on the same site, these shoes are going for two different prices, the retail price and then the sale price. Now I don't know if it's because it's a different season of shoes, you know, when I guess brands or designers release different lines per season. I don't know, that's the reason why. But if you do want these shoes, I would suggest to purchase them now. No telling if it will go back to the regular price just in general. And they have so many different colorways, so you don't have to get the black and gold. You can get, they have like the pink suede, they have green, they have orange, they have tan, they have brown leather. It's just endless, the options. And like I said, they do run true to size, so go ahead and purchase your normal size. I had been eyeing the Marni fur slides also, but I just thought to pick up these instead because, I mean, I have had these on my list longer than the Marni, and I think that the mule is definitely going to be the item of the season for me. Or just in general, I'm seeing a lot of mules on the market, maybe because, you know, we're transitioning into fall and that's the go-to shoe in my opinion. But yes, I do want to pick these up in the silver colorway, and I think I may go ahead and pick up a Marni slide. We'll see. So I will be showing you some outfit ideas on how I plan on wearing mine going into the fall. It is still pretty warm, so the outfits that I'll be showing you are more summer appropriate, maybe for a little cooler weather, but you're gonna see that you can still pull off this look. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful for anyone that was interested in purchasing these shoes. I don't think you'll regret them. Maybe I'm just talking too soon, but I really do think that these are a great pickup. Yeah, but if you did enjoy this video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, bye.